Welcome back, everybody. We're working on Brant's disc today. We got the new parts. It's been raining outside pretty hard, so we decided we'd work on it here a little bit, and glad you can join us. And so you're along to help us finish it up, and we'll get it done and move on to something else for the day. So what do you think, Brant?
I just want to get back in the field.
What do you think there, boss man Bryce?
I have no idea.
Well, you heard it from the horse's mouth, people. No idea. So let's get to it. We got to get them bearings up there and get bolts put on both sides. So see if we can put you people where you halfway see what we're doing. The old ratchet strap, and try to lift it up a little bit to get a bolt started in it.
Alright, get out of the way, Brant.
Hook them together here and cinch them down. Maybe.
7 years later.
Let's get the tangles out of it. Yeah, we just put new axle for the disc in there and everything. The nut stripped out on him last weekend, so we just put a new axle in there, put him a new blade on it, stuff like that. So
You got one. You're gonna start on
hard
this
to see what we're doing down in here. Give me a nut. Yep.
Or, you want it?
Nope, not right now. He beat you to it. You're too slow. Move the people down into here. You people see? I don't know either, do you?
I'm not the people.
You're not the people?
Yeah.
I mean,
The
technically are people. Yeah.
The
Yeah,
people?
but we're not the populace.
The populace?
Yeah.
You have a point there, old wise one.
Now like tip it. Put it off. Can't go straight.
That bearing straighten up, ain't it?
I can't.
Pretty doggone close. The fat butt might get stuck in here. Have to call fire department to get me out. Come on, Bryce.
Come on.
Come on, Bryce. Oh, whatever, Bryce. Okay, winch it up there for me.
Oh. Not even sure what I was thinking.
You're damn close to getting fired. We're gonna give me a nut.
Trying to get a nut.
Come on, camera guy, get us a nut.
Personal cameraman will just point in your fist like that.
Yeah. Better get the clothes out fast, boys.
Give me the ratchety wrench. I think all the tools are someplace, aren't they?
They should be all
Right there. Right there. Oh. Well, listen to it rain outside.
I don't care.
Good editor will take out all that bad crap.
Oh, there's only so much in editing to do.
I can't make it look pretty, that's for sure. Right there's the guy that tore it up. It's all his fault.
I didn't.
You tore it up.
I didn't.
Now he's making me do all the work to fix it. You tore it up.
I did not.
I think you did.
I blame it on the tractor pull.
That's the Brant, the tractor driving lizard. In the YouTube video, bikeaways, I'll link it. Bicycle like hands or something I could hold the head of this boat.
These two new disc blades. But man, we have one more that was supposed to go for another one. That one right there.
Show them all of our broken stuff, Brant. Jeez.
We got that one right there.
We're supposed to be sophisticated, non-broken crap.
It was the tractor's fault, so I don't know if
I ain't gonna try here. Ratchet be that.
tractor has too much horsepower.
Where is, oh, there's one.
No, the wrench.
A wrench.
Wrench.
The wrench, not the,
The
ratchet.
wrench, you wrench.
The wrench, not the ratchet.
If I can get it in.
Tell the people what you're doing, Bryce.
I'm trying to get the matching wrench onto the nut.
Where you at, Bryce? Where you at, Bryce? Are you counting a little bit?
Right here.
All right, breathe, Brant. Breathe, Bryce.
Okay. Well, I don't think they want to hear me breathe.
You don't think they want to hear you breathe?
Yeah.
You'll have that.
Like we're not an ASMR channel.
ASMR channel.
Bolt in, or are you gonna stand there?
Well,
So we have to get this holes in the
Why you
back,
taking my gravy tray?
but it's gonna be really hard because this is on a lower level than this. We got the 4440 hooked up, so we'll
Come
get them.
Go get the 2x4 block. Right there. Ready?
I can't do it like that, man. Put the strap right there and I'll pull it up in place.
See if we can get under there. That'd be too low.
They're out of the way.
No, I don't.
You pinch your fingers?
No.
Where's that punch at? That shorter. What you doing now, bub?
Me?
No, I was talking to Brant.
Screwing this bolt in.
Putting a nut on it.
Bryce, do you got a wrench over there?
I just get it started, all three of them started, and we'll get the wrenches and sockets on them.
Where did I put that, Ray?
What you doing, Bryce?
Tying this nut up.
Look like you're struggling, riding a struggle bus.
Well, it would be much easier if this.
You got all the
Or-
nuts on. We can lift that. We can lift the disc up and lock, put the safety locks on it, and get it up higher, so it's easier to work on.
I'm doing good so far, I would say. But I might be regretting that a couple of minutes down the road.
Surely not. You don't regret any decisions, do you?
That is a question.
You can't get the ratchet wrench to work for you, or is the nut too loose?
The ratchet wrench, I can't really.
Well, you move the bolt. Move the bolt, bud. Ratchet the bolt instead of the.
Tight. It's to the point where I can get it now, but might be effing.
Okay, how's that work with your arms crossed like that?
Well, yeah, I know that. I can
Free wrench, Bryce?
switch your. Well, I'm using both right now, Brant. Get your own. So might be too loose. Yeah, it's too loose. Reach.
Yep, it's over on the back.
Okay, I need to get up then.
You want me to grab you by the feet or just drive over top of you and make you look like mincemeat?
I don't prefer mincemeat. I like mincemeat.
You like mincemeat? He'd look like cut up.
I look like I'm in Tom and Jerry cartoons.
The Tom and Jerry cartoons?
Yeah.
Exactly.
You ever get that feeling when your arm just feels like it's gonna give out?
Yeah. Well, guys, we got it done. Everything's all bolted up down there. The little guy's ready to roll again. The big guy's ready for moral support. And I'm just here to foot the bill. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe, leave a comment, and we'll see you on the next one. Got anything to say, Brant?
No. I'm just ready to go to the field and work.
I got a bloody thumb. Does that matter?
No.
Okay. How about you, Bryce?
I got dirty hands.
Dirty hands. There you heard it, folks. We got dirty.